Okay, we'd like to face off now, so we have our workpiece in our 3-jaw chuck. It's extended approximately an inch from the 3-jaw chuck. For a cylinder, it's a smaller piece, probably around 3/8 of an inch would be fine. First of all, we're going to clean off our tool post, make sure there's no debris on our tool post which would affect the centering of our face-off tool. Select the face-off tool from our toolbox, it is here, and that's nice and clean. We insert that on our tool post and walk it down. We've previously set the IPR and the speed of the machine. So now what we need to do is slowly approach our workpiece to within around 1/4 of an inch. We ensure that our feet are not engaged. We then start our lathe. We then slowly approach our workpiece with our tool, just touching the surface of our workpiece. There we go. And then remove the tool very slowly. We're going to use a dial indicator on our lathe bed. Bring the dial indicator up to the carriage of the lathe. There it goes. We then zero our indicator. There we go. Zero. Making sure that we're removed from the workpiece. We then turn the carriage and move it approximately 10,000 of an inch. We'd like to remove 10 thousandths from the face of our workpiece. We then engage the machine and turn into the workpiece, nice and slow. There it is, and then engage the process. Disengage, finish off the center, and remove our tool from the workpiece. Okay, so I'd like to now turn an OD. To achieve this, first of all, we need to make sure that we're out of the cross feed. To do this, we're going to push this button in. You see that it's labeled 1, 2, 3. We want number 1. So we're pushing through, pushing all the way in. To check to make sure that we've got the correct feed, we can turn on, engage the machine, and use this lever here to engage the feed. Yep, that looks very good. We have selected the correct IPR, inch per revolution feed rate, from this table over here. We're looking at 0.0032 as our feed rate. It's right here. We come across. We should be setting our machine to CS2X. CS2X. We've also calculated the correct RPM for the material, the tool that we're going to use, and that's also already set into the machine. Next step, we take turning tool, brush off our tool post, make sure there's no debris on our tool post. There we go. And place the turning tool in onto our toolbar and tighten. So next, what I'm going to do is move my tool a little closer to the workpiece. We want to be about 1/4 of an inch or so away from the workpiece, because what we're going to do is just touch up onto the workpiece, zero our index here on our cross slide, and then make a cut. Engage the machine. And slowly approach the workpiece with our tool until it just contact. There we go. Right? And then set the index cross slide to 0. And now let's make a 15,000th of an inch cut. Turn 15,000th. And now by hand, feed in the tool until it starts to cut, and then engage and make it cut. Remove the tool, turn off the machine, and then take a measurement on the OD, changing our indexing until we get the correct outside diameter for our work.